Good morning, students. Up to the chapter number 10, we have the same related chapter, that is area related to circle. Now, in chapter number 10, let me remind you what you've done. We've done about the introduction of circle, that is set of points lying from fixed distance of the given point. Later on, we just come about the parts of the circle, that is radius, then diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Then we just come about the chord. Then we just come about the secant, extended part of the chord. And the new introduction was there, that is tangent to the circle. It was there, and that concept will be helpful in construction, that we'll do later on. So on the basis of tangent, we did the theorems also 10.1, 10.2, and we got the relation of tangent with the radius, that it makes an angle of 90 degree, as well as exterior points when the tangent is drawn from exterior point of the circle. So the length equal, we all the things we just proved there, clear in the terms of theorem 10.1 and 10.2. Now this time, our topic little bit different, but the shape of the object is going to remain same. And what is the shape of the object? It is what? Circle. Now here we have to calculate the things in terms of age and area. Now I am just discussing about the age. Age means what? The length of the circle. Now it is very clear that if you are asked to find the length of rectangle, the length of square, either it is a trapezium or any kind of polygon, which is what in terms of linear. But here for a circular object, if I'll ask you that what is the length of the total circle, so here the length is what? The synonyms of circumference. So length of a circle, or you can clearly indicate that circumference of circle. So it is what? Equal to pi d, or if I replace diameter, there is 2 times of radius. We discussed in the 10th chapter. Either diameter is 2 times of radius, and radius is half of the diameter. So it can be also pi into 2r. It can be written as 2 pi r. It is what? Circumference of the circle. Means if you have to measure the circle, you have to measure the total length of the circle in terms of radius is given. So we have the formula 2 pi r. We have a lot of things, a lot of objects there to measure, like a circular bangle, circular wheel, length of pizza, everything. Then you can see the different shapes here, like you can see design is here, a cake is here, then you can see the wheels of the barrow is here, wheelbarrow is here. So everything is what? Circular. So we have to discuss about its length. So length should be found in terms of the formula given, it is 2 pi r. So either it is length of a circle, or it can be also referred as circumference of a circle, which is given as what? 2 pi r. Same way, if you have to find area of the circle in 2D, so area of circle means what? That is a circular strip is there, which has been covered with inside. That is, we are just taking the whole paper instead of the edge. What is the difference between this and this? That is, here we are getting the edge, like the bangle. Bangle is what? Circular. So it contains hole in it, so we have to measure its length only. But here it is the whole part. Suppose I am just taking out the paper, a circular paper. The circular paper will contain covering of paper also here. So what is the total length, total area of this paper? For that we have to consider the center of the circle. Radius will be there. So area of circle in 2D is what? Is equal to pi r square. Area of circle, it is given as what? Pi r square. So till for the first exercise, we have to use what? The same two formulas to to solve the numerical. That is the length or circumference of circle, which is given as 2 pi r, and the second one is what? Area of the circle, it is given as pi r square. Clear? So you can see both the formula once again. Area of circle, length of a circle or circumference of circle is given as 2 pi r, and area of the circle is given as pi r square. Clear? So examples are given there. We have to go for the examples too. Okay, that is example 1 is there. Try to solve it. Very easier one. And let me explain you some questions of exercise 12.1. So clear about the concept now? Okay, circumference and area. So we'll utilize it in solving the numericals. So let's have the numericals. See, the first question is, the radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Clear? The radii of two circles. Suppose we are given the first exercise 12.1. Two circles have been given the radius, that is what? The first one has 19 centimeter and other is what? 9 centimeter. So what is our requirement? That find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Means we have to find radius of that circle, okay, whose circumference, that is circumference of this circle is equal to the sum of circumference of these two circles. Clear? Means we have to go for the circumference. Already the indication of question is given. So we will write here, let the radius of first circle be r1 is equal to 19 centimeter and the radius of second circle B R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Now actually we don't know the radius of the larger circle which has the summation value equal to the two small these other circles. So we will write let the radius of unknown circle be R. So the radius of this circle is what? R. Now circumference of this circle, that is 2 pi r, is equal to sum of circumference of these two circles. Very easy question. Only we have to maintain the formula, that is 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Clear? Now what we will do here, can we take 2 pi common? So it is 2 pi common, it is r1 plus r2. 2 pi simply we can cancel. So it is r is equal to r1 plus r2. The value of r1 is 19 and the value of r2 is what? 9. So it is what? 28 centimeter. So radius of the larger circle is what? 28 centimeter. So how will write the answer? Therefore the radius of the circle which is, okay, we'll write radius of circle which has circumference equal to sum of circumference of given circle is how much it is? R is equal to 28 centimeter. Clear? So that is our question. So it is the first question. Clear? Now let's have second one. See, the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay. two circles are radius 8 centimeter and 6 centimeters. Once again we have the two circles. The first one is 8 centimeter and the second one is how much it is? 6 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Now the question has been changed. We have to find the radius when area of unknown radius of circle is equal to sum of area of two given circles. So let the radius of first circle, once again r1 is equal to 8 centimeter and the radius of second circle r2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Now let the radius of unknown circle be capital R. So what is area of circle? It is pi r square, that is the unknown. Okay, another circle is there whose area is equal to sum of these two circles. So that unknown circle is what? Pi r square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So pi r square is equal to, take pi common, it is r1 square plus r2 square. Pi and pi is cancelled. So r square is equal to, what is the value of r1? It is 8 and r2 is what? 6. So it is 64 plus 36. R square is equal to 100. So therefore what is the value of r? It is 10 centimeter. Clear? So therefore we'll write the radius of larger circle B r is equal to 10 centimeter. Got it? So this is what such a type of numericals, okay, you are going to get for at least 1 or 2 marks question. Clear? So please continue to maintain your notebooks. Very soon we have our meeting and we'll meet in the classroom. So take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, okay, and do the maximum practice from some other reference book also. Clear? Goodbye.